Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going undercover. That's right. Secret shopper time. Let's go. All right, our undercover secret shopper thing today is going to be a car wash. So we are going to go ahead and get this bad boy cleaned and get paid for it. So we are headed to the secret shopper location right now. I'm going to get the car washed. Had to go through some sprinkles on the way over here, but it seems to have stopped, which is good. You don't want to get your car washed and having it rained on. That's never good. And the forecast calls for sunny days over the next 7 days. So I'll be able to get some runs in, and that video will come out later. But for this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to get my car washed. Going to inspect it afterwards, make sure it looks good. Then I'm going to go home, fill out the report, give these guys a grade. And then what's going to happen is they are going to reimburse me for the car wash. They are going to pay me for the secret shopper, and then the big shocker is they're going to give me a bonus of a couple bucks extra to get it done. So that's great. Nothing wrong with getting your car washed and making money off the deal. And so we're on our way there, and with the power of editing, I'm going to take you guys there right now. All right, pulling into the car wash. How's it going?
Hello, how are you?
Good. Can I do a very best?
Of course.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, neutral. Oops. There we go. So we are in the car wash right now, getting it done. And, oh, these are kind of cool lights. I should have kept that fun part going. You can see the, I don't know what that's all about, but that's kind of cool. Yeah, we went ahead and got their very best. They only pay for the minimum $10 car wash, but I got the 16 because I'm getting a little extra cash for them, so. Nothing but the best for my baby here. Anyways, we are almost done. See you on the other side. looking brand new.
Blasphemy.
All right, so the car looks good. We're going to go home, fill out the report, give them a grade, and due to the confidentiality agreement I had to sign, I can't tell you guys how we did, but you guys can be the judge yourselves, whether you give them a thumbs up, a thumbs down, a thumbs in the middle. That's on you. I'm going to give them my own grade. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, we are so close to reaching that 100 subscriber mark to do the giveaway. As of this filming, we're less than 20 people away. So, if you want to win this shirt, all you got to do is hit this button. That's right. Doesn't cost you a thing. You just got to subscribe. It only costs you the motion of boop, and you're in. You got a chance to win. So remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you leave a comment down below, you take your time to do that. I appreciate that. I'm going to take my time to respond to you. So I appreciate that very much. And remember, stay tuned. Stay tuned.